Pulse motor fabrication update. Basically, we have it operating off of a DC, 18 volt battery for a electric drill, I think. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, the just a simple cam switch with the cam contact switch, roller contact switch, electromagnet with a metal core and a metal case underneath the PVC. We have four 1-inch by 3-inch neodymium magnets. I think they're about a 300-pound pull force. We have a 1x4 ferrite magnet, ceramic magnet. It's set up in repulsion mode so that as the neodymium gets sucked towards the iron core, that energy is stored in the repulsion magnet and then returned to the system after it triggers. Should be getting better results. We'll have to adjust the cam trigger and do an RPM test. But as we learned from the the large pendulum we fabricated, so we have a technique where we can increase the voltage once we get the timing set up. So we'll do that. And thanks for watching.